Hello from sunny MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to be looking at this used 2018 Regal 290 outboard boat for sale. This boat was taken in on a trade. It has 140 hours on the motor and a bunch of other great features. Let's climb aboard. Now that we're on board the boat, let's start at the back. This boat is outfitted with twin Yamaha 200 horsepower engines, has a large swim platform and a ladder for when you're doing those anchor outs or just want to jump in the Gulf of Mexico to cool off. You'll notice this boat has lots of seating for you and your guests. These seats in the back articulate, they can move forward and backward. A very nice teak table for entertaining. The floor has a nice covering on top of it so it doesn't get too hot or burn your feet. What I really like about this boat is the amount of covering the Bimini top provides. Look at all of that shade. Perfect for the hot Florida sun. This boat has a fusion radio system. You can see the speakers on either side. Again, lots of seating up front at the helm. This boat is outfitted with Garmin. Here are all the switches and tabs. It also has a bow thruster as well, which is a really nice feature. Over here, there's a small head. Down below, and a nice glass sink. Perfect for when you're venturing a little farther from land. Nice big windshield. This can close to keep you protected from the elements. Up front, you'll notice that there's ample seating for all of your guests to enjoy their day out on the water. These move up and down. Lots of cup holders. And then you have your anchor up front. If you have questions about this boat or any others, please feel free to contact us at 239-481-8200 today.